Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited you're here. Today, I'm taking on a real challenge trading on pocket option with just $3 in my account. Sounds crazy? Maybe. But I'm here to prove that with the right strategy and strong discipline, even a small balance can grow fast. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so don't blink. Make sure to watch until the end to see if this method really works. All right, let's dive in and make it happen. I will choose a trading duration of 1 minute. To analyze the market, I'm using my own flagship software. If you'd like to try it out, just check the link in the description below. You need to know that this software is specifically designed for all binary options and Forex brokers. Okay, now I will choose a market to trade, and for brokers, I will choose the pocket option. For the signal duration, I will choose a duration of 1 minute according to the trading duration I use. All right, friends, I've just placed a trade based on the signal provided by the TurboTrend software. Just so you know, this software gives real-time buy or sell signals, making it easier to catch the right moment in the market. If you want to try this software and see how it works for you, just check the download link in the description below. It's quick to set up, and you can start using the signals right away. right, traders, that's it for today's session. I started with just $3, and as you saw, with the help of the Turbo Trend software, I was able to grow that small balance step by step. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, make sure to give it a like and share it with others who might need this kind of boost. Don't forget to check the description for the software link if you want to try it yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, stay focused, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy trading.